the ceasefire right now, is it just a pause?
Actually, they wanted to damage Iran and collapse Iran within 3 days. Even they promised a lot of countries that we will finish Iran within 3 days. But this was their dream and it wasn't implemented. They couldn't do that because they got very brave people in Iran, and also they got a lot of supporters from different countries, from India, Africa, even European countries. A lot of people, billions of people started supporting Iran and justice. Even in the United States, they were against the unjust war against Iran. After 40 days, when they realized that they cannot have any achievement, they offered ceasefire. And Iran doesn't want any conflict and crisis because Iran knows that by this war, a lot of countries will be suffered and harmed. So Iran accepted actually by its conditions and offered 10-point plans, and based on that 10-point plans, they wanted to negotiate. But unfortunately, the demand of the United States of America is very high, and it wants something which is not its right. And even they don't have any single reason or justification for attacking Iran. Always they say because of nuclear weapons. While for more than 30 years ago, our supreme leaders issued a religious statement, which we call it fatwa, that having nuclear weapons is haram, is forbidden. We cannot have it. We didn't want to have nuclear weapons. We don't want to have it, even we will not want to have it in the future. And several times, this is paradoxical statement. Sometimes they say we damage every nuclear power. After that, they said we don't want Iran to have nuclear weapons. I don't know, do they understand what they say or not? However, the people in the world understand them, and now we see the reaction of the world against them.